I made carrot dogs for the first time and with some ackee cheese. And I also made a walnut chili with black beans. So let's see how this is gonna go. Welcome to my series of I Can Feed You Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner for $20. And today we're doing the infamous carrot dog. And you know I had to add a little spice to it. So I made a pecan walnut black bean chili along with ackee cheese that I was inspired by Jen's plant-based. She's out of the UK, and the cheese did not disappoint. When I say the way these dogs came out, they tasted just like hot dogs. I promise you. I promise you. And now it has inspired me to officially put chef in my bio because I did that. If I didn't do anything else, I did that. Oh my God. And what's so crazy? Nobody told me that ackee was $8, but it still yielded 8 hot dogs, which I'll be taking some over to my neighbor. And when I say that this surprised me, it surprised me. And I hope that you enjoy it. And let me know if you've ever tried making your own carrot dogs, because when I say it took a while, but we got to the promised land.